you can use anything really, but you know, I review products, you know what I mean? So hey, they're cheap, so I make it do what it do. So I'm always trying things, and they don't cost much, but they can add up, but I don't mind,
Restaurant Schengen Place à Londres chez Tata Mapassa. Let's dance together.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. As you saw on the thumbnail, we're doing something great today, something a little bit different, a topic that I don't see a lot of videos on. Maybe there are some out there, but I thought this would be helpful because I do wear a lot of liquid lipsticks, although I'm slowly going away from the heavy matte finishes. I still have some that I do enjoy, and for that reason I have to take care of my lips. So today I'm showing you products that I've used for lip care and that I've emptied up, and some that I'm currently using, what I would recommend or repurchase. So if you're interested in those products, please do stay tuned. The timestamp will be on screen, and I will always introduce myself in French, and I'll see you guys very soon. And the elephant in the room, yes, I got that Rihanna vibe, that, you know, red going, that firewood red. You can call it firewood, cedarwood, whatever wood you want to call it, but this is like a nice spring summer vibe coming to you, okay? And I think in the summer I'm gonna go back to blonde, so I'm transitioning. So we had black for the winter, we're going to red for the spring towards summer, and I think in the summer I'm going to do my blonde. Yeah, if you're wondering, yes, I dyed this color myself. I don't remember exactly which color it was, but I got it from Sally's. Yes, if I remember the color that I used to dye it, I will link it below. But you know, guys, yes, so yeah, so this is done by me, okay? It was just bundles in regular black, and I just dyed it without bleaching. So yeah, bleaching is no longer a thing, and plus, who has time for that? I'm not professional. I don't have time for all that technicality. So I did this on my own, and it came out good, and I've had it for years actually, and I love it. I love me some red, baby. So yeah guys, so let's get right into it. Voilà, salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien, et aujourd'hui on parle du soin des lèvres. Vous savez bien que j'adore les rouges à lèvres mat. Et bien voilà, les rouges à lèvres mat, ça assèche vraiment les lèvres. Je dis vraiment. Donc si vous ne prenez pas soin de vos lèvres, c'est ça qui fait à ce que quand vous appliquez vos rouges à lèvres, c'est pas aussi flawless comme vous voyez sur Instagram ou dans les journaux et tout et consort. Donc si vous êtes intéressé par mes produits soins des lèvres préférés, je mets tous les liens des produits sous la barre d'infos sur mon blog. Voilà, on parle du soin des lèvres. Pour ceux qui aiment bien mettre les rouges à lèvres mat, il faut vraiment s'en occuper de vos lèvres, sinon c'est ça qui fait à ce que on n'a pas ce flawless look qu'on voit bien sur les réseaux sociaux. Donc voilà, tous les détails sur ces produits tout à l'heure en anglais, et je vous invite toujours de beaucoup prier le bon Dieu, et on se voit à la prochaine vidéo. Et merci de voir que c'est moi qui ai coloré ces chevelus là. Ça fait au moins 5 ans que j'ai coloré ça. J'ai coloré ça juste avec un colorant qui vient d'une boutique qu'on appelle Sally Beauty ici aux États-Unis. Donc voilà, c'était très facile, très rapide, et la couleur originale c'était noir, et j'adore. Donc voilà, bientôt c'est l'été, donc j'ai essayé de faire une transition et j'ai essayé de porter le rouge, voilà, et puis pendant l'été je vais faire la couleur blonde, et voilà. Pendant l'hiver, on reprend avec un marron bien foncé. Je pense que le noir pour cette année, on fait la pause. J'en ai eu assez du noir. Donc voilà, merci encore, et on se voit à la prochaine. So let's go. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're talking about lip care products that I've used recently, and I'm going to try to make it fast. Okay, so let's get it started. What happens to the good music, guys? I mean, I feel like the radio is so annoying right now. I can't stand the radio, but the good music, guys. The good music, guys. Hey. Okay, so let's go. So for removing lipsticks and lip glosses and whatnot, I always talked to you guys about this. This is the NYX Be Gone Lip Color Remover. I usually get it from Ulta Beauty. That's the only place I really find it. Or on the NYX website also has it, but they always have it, and I've used so many of them. I'm sure I have more that are empty, but guys, these are all empty, as you can see. That's it right there. That's the NYX Be Gone Lip Color Remover. It's just dope. Do you really need any of these removers? No, you can use your makeup wipe, you can use oil, you can use your micellar water, you can use anything really. But you know, I review products, you know what I mean? So hey, they're cheap, so I make it do what it do. So I'm always trying things, and they don't cost much, but they can add up. But I don't mind, guys, as long as I'm using them, I'm okay with it. If I was taking them and just piling them up, that's when it's kind of testing my somewhat minimalist journey, you know what I mean? So this is an amazing product, and you know, as you can see, I've used them on many occasions, so you can see that it's really good. So I do recommend this one. Next lip color remover that I recommend is by E.L.F Cosmetics. This is called the Kiss It Goodbye E.L.F Lip Color Remover in Clear. You can find this anywhere, CVS, Target, Walmart, anywhere that they sell E.L.F, I believe. And they're like $3, but I always buy my 50% off. And or anywhere they have coupons, you can get it cheap. So even at Ulta, guys, these are amazing for $1.50. What can you do? They work wonders. My only gripe with this is that it's very liquidy. It does spill out very easily, and it's not, you waste more of this product than anything, so just be careful with it. It's not economical, you know. You tend to, it squirts out a lot, and then you know, you need a lot to remove your product, but it's so cheap that it doesn't really matter. Guys, I can't count how many I've gone through. I've already talked to you guys about this so many times. Like I've said before, I got 4 right here, and I know I've gone through more. You know your YouTuber is real when she has backups and she has plenty of empties, and she comes back and gives you a follow-up. I hate when people do like videos and you never see it again, and then you see new products all the time, like all of the time. It's like, what really works? Are you really serious about that? Do you really use it? What's the hold up? Like, what's the tea? Like, what's the follow-up? You know what I mean? So these 3 are empty right here, okay, and this is one that I have as a backup. As you can see, I love this product. Love it. Next lip color remover is by Milani. I've had about 3 of these. I can't find the other ones, but you guys can see this one is empty. It's called the Milani Keep It Clean Longwear Lip Color Remover right there, guys. Again, this is an amazing product, but it's so hard to find. I used to find it at CVS, but now they don't really carry it anymore, which sucks because I really like it, and they usually have great deals at CVS on Milani products. It's usually like buy 10 and get $6 back, which is when I usually try Milani products. But and on top of the coupons and rewards, it's definitely worth it. And this is just the color 01. It's clear. It's really good. I like the consistency. It's not as watery or as runny as the E.L.F one. It's more like the NYX one, and I really do recommend it. And it's expensive. I think it's like $8, but with the discounts, it's worth it. Okay. One thing I just discovered is by J.CAT Beauty. I think I was looking for J.CAT Beauty products to try out. I think I've heard some good things about her eyeshadows. I'm not really sure, but I came across this. I think I got it on sale for like $3, and it's actually really good. And for some reason, it's called the J.CAT Beauty Invisible Matte Lip Color Remover, Lip Makeup Remover. And I don't know, I just feel like it has a lot of product. I've been using it for a while, and I feel like it's not emptying up. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I like it. So if you come across it, it's not in store, it's only online. So if you are shopping online and you find it, just add it to your cart. It's not bad to have, especially if you're traveling, you're at work, and you really want to clean up. It's good to have one of these because you can't really carry like oils and stuff like that with you unless you want to. But or you can use makeup remover wipes like I said, but this is really great to have as well. Now we're leaving the lip color remover area, and now we're gonna go into the scrubs. I love scrubs, so I'm gonna show you what I really like that I've really tried recently, and I know you guys have seen these before, so just bear with me. The first one I have here is the Milani So we have the Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrubs. Guys, I've gone through so many of these. I don't even know how many I've gone through. And so yeah, I definitely think that you guys would enjoy this. This is empty. I love them. They're $10, I believe. And with the discounts and sales, guys, this is an amazing scrub. It's not too creamy. It's not too heavy with rocks. It's just the perfect consistency. A little goes a long way. And my lips have not crumbled. I have not been having cuts even during the winter. It's been very, very good for the most part. So I really think all these products do help. So yeah, believe it or not, I actually have 3 of the Milani ones. This is actually the packaging in case you guys wanted to see it. Yeah, so for Milani, as you can see, we have 3 here and they're all empty, y'all. Look at that. Milani is doing it big for me. Yeah. Next one that I've tried recently is by Physicians Formula, and this one is the Organic Rose Oil Lip Polish. This is definitely a polish. I wouldn't call this a lip scrub because it doesn't have enough granules, as you can see. They do have it at CVS and Target and Walmart, so definitely try it out. And even ULTA, I believe, anywhere where they sell drugstore products, I think they have them now. It's more of a polish, and it's definitely very thick, so do be patient with it. But it's not like a heavy scrub, so it's not gonna do that deep cleaning. But if you need a light cleaning or a light polish, this is good for that. And it's more of a moisturizing factor, I believe. It comes with one of these little scoops things, so you can just grab it and apply it on your lips, and I think it's okay. It's kind of helpful, you know. Another lip scrub that I didn't even know was out there that's actually really good and actually affordable as well is the one by LA Girl. Okay, that's their lip scrubs, and this is just sweet. It's called the LA Girl Sweet Lip Scrub, and it just gently exfoliates. I like it. Again, it has a great consistency. It doesn't have too many harsh rocks. It's the perfect consistency. I like the packaging. I do recycle packaging a lot, guys. You never know. And look at that, like, it's empty. I really like this. I would repurchase this as well because it's like $5 without sales, so not bad. Another affordable lip scrub is the one by E.L.F Cosmetics, and it's called the Clear Lip Exfoliator, and I like this because it's in a nice tube and it's just very good. It looks like a lipstick, and they have different flavors, so you can try whatever. And I think this one is like coconut or shea. I'm not sure, but then it's just called Clear, and that's just that, and you just use it as a lipstick, and then that's how it scrubs. But it's not as effective. I feel like it's more of a moisturizing factor. It doesn't have enough granules, and you guys know with E.L.F packaging tends to be a hit or miss, so don't force this. So just go lightly and then use it. If not, it's gonna break off and then you won't be able to use it well. So you know, E.L.F has cute packaging, but a lot of the time they're not practical. They always annoy the heck out of me because they just break apart and you can't use it anymore. So it loses its functionality, even though it's so affordable. I think they're like $3, and then I get them on sale at half off, so it's like $1.50 or something like that. Don't quote me exactly, but yeah, these are good. They have much more scents now or flavors now than they did when I first found out about these. So these are amazing. That's just that right there. This is Makeup Academy. It's a brand that I haven't tried really, and I was looking for new things to try for lip care, and I found this Makeup Academy Sugar Lip Scrub from CVS, and yeah, this is actually good. It has a different texture. It's a little bit runny, but not like it's gonna fall off your lips. It's just easy to maneuver, so I really do like this one. I would recommend it. I think it's like $7 without the coupons and stuff. So it's by Makeup Academy, or MUA, and it's just a sugar lip scrub. It's really nice. Okay, last but not least, we have the AOA Studio Sugar Lip Scrubs as well. They have different scents as well, and this one is the rose one. It does work, and I just feel like the quality of it, just the quality just seems so cheap. You know, I did a video on AOA Studios before my first video, and this was $1. Everything on that website is supposed to be $1, so that's why I tried it out. It's good, but I don't like the scent, and I feel like it's kind of like cheap feeling, but it does work, right? I like the consistency, and it's not too watery. It's easy to maneuver around my lips. I like it. It works. It's just I feel like, I don't know, it seems a little bit cheap when I apply it on my lips, and you know I love my lips, so yeah, but it does work. It's very cheap. It's like $1, so I bought like 3 of these different scents to try, and yeah, I do like this. So I forgot to mention the Lush Cosmetics lip scrub. You can find that in the mall or on their website. That one is actually pretty good. I got it so long ago that I don't have it with me, but I've used up, I think I bought one of them. I don't remember which flavor it was, but they have so many. They're really good. They're natural, obviously. You guys know I think they're cruelty free and vegan free, I believe. So you can definitely try that if you're really about that natural life and cruelty free and all that, vegan. That would be a great option for you. And also the only thing about that is it's very messy, so it makes a lot of mess. Okay, it has very large granules, so you definitely have to be careful with that, but that's the only thing. But other than that, it's very good. So there you go with that. And last but not least, I have a lip mask. I know people don't really believe in lip masks, but I do think they do help. This one is an overnight lip mask, and I found this on Amazon. I was watching a YouTuber and she talked about this, and I went and looked at it. I think it was like $7, and it's just a ginger sugar overnight lip mask. Guys, it feels very sticky and weird when you apply it, but you would love it. I guarantee you would love it. So bear with me, try it out and let me know. Just apply it at night, don't think about it, go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, your lips are gonna feel rejuvenated. Okay, very nice and luscious and voluptuous, whatever you want, and very nice and smooth and ready for the day. So I definitely like this. It's just that the application process of it is a little messy, sticky, but once you sleep, it's all gone, and you wake up in the morning, you're like, voila. So there you go. It's just that right there, so you guys can see. I'll link it down below as well. Yeah. Okay guys, so that is all for the products that I use to take care of my lips. And of course, I always use a lip balm. I might do a video on my favorite lip balms coming up next, so that this video is not too long. I feel like I have more to try out before I can do a favorite lip balm video, but this was just the removing part, the exfoliating part, and then the recovery part with the lip mask, so you guys can kind of see what's going on out there. But I feel like for lip balms, you can kind of use anything that you like, but I might do a video once I get a good combination of them. But I've talked about some great lip balms in my past empties, so do check them out just to see what I've recommended thus far. So thank you so much again for watching. As always, all the products that I recommend only are always listed on my blog, so you can shop for it directly, and the link for my blog is always down below in the information box. I invite you guys to always check it out. Thank you so much again for watching. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. Bye. Mwah.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.